Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to make an origami Easter bunny just like this one. This model is relatively simple, it only needs a little attention, a few steps, and the only material needed is a square of paper. You can choose any size, but in this video I'm going to start with 20 by 20 centimeters, which is about 8 by 8 inches. If the paper has two colors, we start with the main color facing down. Our first step is to fold in half along both diagonals, marking something like an X. Let's bring one corner to the other and make a crease. We can unfold this. And now we fold the opposite diagonal by bringing the other two corners together. Unfold again. And using these marks as a guide, now we are going to have to fold the two bottom corners to the middle. We can start here on the right side. Just bring it carefully to the middle and make a crease. Same with the left side. And now we are going to bring the top side to the middle, folding it horizontally. We can fully unfold and now we are going to fold it in half vertically. Just bring the right side to the left and, as always, crease sharply. Now unfold. And with that, the paper is divided now into two vertically. For the next step, we're going to divide it into four. Let's start from the right by bringing the edge to the middle. And then the left side too. Let's keep it folded, and here at the bottom, using the marks we've already made, we're going to have to open up and push the corner inside, creating a new flap. Let's fold the same flap up on the other side. We do the same thing. This is the result for now. Let's turn it over, leaving it in this position, and bring the top part down. As you can see, now the two flaps are in the end of the paper. Let's return to the other side in the same position as before. And starting on the right side, we'll fold this diagonal to the middle, creating a fold more or less like this. We repeat the same step here on the left side. Then, as we did before, let's turn the paper over. And now fold the top part back, just like this. Reinforce a little. Now, with the paper in this position, let's fold the left side using the existing line here. Now we can close the paper using the horizontal in the middle. And we have our base. For the next step, you're going to have to take this part of the head and tilt just a little bit. For this, we hold the rest and bring the head part up. Using the same logic, we are going to pull this inner layer back a little bit, creating the first detail of the feet. And to make the tail, first let's reverse the corner. And then fold it back up, leaving a small gap hidden inside. Something more or less like this. You can still modify it a bit if you want. Back down here on the inside, we're going to have to fold the paper, creating two small diagonals. So just take the middle and push to the left, connecting with the corner. Try to make the other side look the same, and close again. Now, to improve the face detail, we can fold the end of the corner inside. And as the final step, we open the ears. And shape it a little to make more realistic. Our origami Easter bunny is ready! It's a relatively simple model that has a very beautiful result. Thank you so much for watching, see you next time!